Hey, what's up guys, it's Jesse here, and it's 1:04 in the afternoon, and I just realised that I haven't seen any of my staff in the last maybe 4.5 hours, so I guess that's a bit of a problem. Let's go see what they're doing. Spoiler alert, I mean, this is what I'm working on. Let's go see what they're doing over here. Oh, stuff. There's a heap of individual boxes out here. Oi, what are you doing down here? Packing what?
Cars.
What cars, bud?
New ones that come in this morning.
What are you talking about? What new cars arrived this morning, man?
No, thanks.
Oh, I know what that is. No way, these weren't supposed to arrive for at least a few more weeks.
I thought someone told you that they came in.
Nah, no one told me that they came in. Dude, I just noticed that it was 1 o'clock and I hadn't seen anyone for the last few hours and wonder what the hell was going on. Oi. Hello, baby.
A couple.
Just a couple? You know what that means, guys? That means the stock is shipping. So I think that's enough messing around for now, but in all seriousness, guys, we have had the stock arrive this morning. So a lot of you will be, or have been waiting for quite some time. So again, took this opportunity, instead of putting them on the boat, sending them via sea freight, guys, I've actually organized to have these air freighted. So if you were one of the people, guys, who ordered these early on, if you ordered them as part of the pre-release and the pre-orders, I have air freighted your Smokebomba number 4 car, and we are starting the dispatch now. But one last thing just before we go, guys, and that is how we are packing these. Now, we get asked all the time as to how the chasers get randomly inserted, especially if we're breaking down the boxes and we are shipping them as individual cars. So I'm about to show you right now exactly what we do with these. Now, in this situation, guys, of course, we want to make sure that the product is not damaged in any single way, shape, and form. So we do our final QC check before we wrap them in bubble wrap and then place one of these tissue papers over the top of the car. Now, the reason why we do this, guys, is so that when we are packing the orders, as you can see right here behind me, we've got a big box full of them. Now, when we are packing the orders, guys, this means that nobody knows what car is inside. So no one can say that any of the staff have tried to prioritize these cars going to friends or anything like that at all. There is absolutely no favoritism for any of the cars bought direct from Ozwheels, guys. So any of you who are online trying to say the other or the opposite to that, you're full of it. So I guess that's it from me for now. We got to get back into packing these. Apparently I have to help now that I've found them and where they've been hiding. So, yeah. Wish me luck, guys. What's that? 3,000-4,000 that got to go out, bro? So I'll see you guys in maybe, what, 2 weeks? 3 weeks? Maybe I can service for a bit of air. But until then, I'll catch you in the next video.